Hi, you're visiting Blink Mobile, so it's safe to assume you're looking for a mobile solution. An enterprise solution that overcomes the issues many companies are experiencing with standalone and native apps. These apps are often developed by different departments, working in isolation of each other. A silo approach that can result in an app outbreak, compounded by different functionality, inconsistent branding, the use of conflicting and incompatible technologies, and duplication of effort. This may sound familiar. We all got very excited about the potential of mobile apps, and for good reason. And things got a little out of hand. Although few, if any companies, really had a clear idea of where the technology was taking us. The good news is that a mobile enterprise application platform, or MEAP, can set you on the right path. It's a path that's sustainable, supported, and as future-proof as it could possibly be, where most of the hard work is done by the platform. In a nutshell, an MEAP provides a single environment for the development, implementation, and management of all types of apps, servicing all your user groups across all types of mobile devices. And you don't have to take my word for it. A recent Gartner report concluded that even if you're operating as few as 3 back-end systems, or communicating with just 3 target user groups, or need to service only 3 types of device, you should consider an MEAP as your best long-term strategic path to managing mobility right across your organization. Before I tell you what's so special about Blink Mobile's platform, I'm going to run you through what you should expect from any of the better platforms. So don't even think about a system unless it, 1, has sophisticated yet easy to use building tools that simplify and accelerate app development and deployment without the need for specialty staff. 2, has a robust, ready-to-go global delivery infrastructure that allows you to get your apps live in any market with a minimum of fuss. 3, handle the heavy lifting behind higher-level services like video, GPS source information, online-offline operation, time zone handling, security, backup, audit trails, and reporting. And 4, gives you a single management tool to handle many types of apps, accessible by any smartphone or tablet. They're the basics. Every good mobile platform should offer such comprehensive services, including an immediate delivery capability supporting every aspect of the app lifecycle, from initial prototyping through testing, deployment, production, and ongoing support and upgrades. So of course, the Blink Mobility platform does all that, but with 2 radically different approaches to the way mobile services are created and the extent of devices catered for. As human beings, our natural instinct is often to dump the maximum amount of information on others, then let them work out what's important. So for instance, we build computer systems so complex that the training courses for them can often cost as much as the solutions themselves. And system complexity and information overload is an even bigger problem in the mobile world. Here at Blink Mobile, the user is central to any development. Their experience should be one of intuitive, straightforward interactions, providing just the information they actually need, where and when they need it, and preferably within 2 clicks. Systems-driven development tools and processes that start by trying to shoehorn an entire solution built for PCs into smaller mobile devices simply don't support this user-focused mindset, which is why mobile solutions from big system companies struggle to get traction with their end users. Enter the Blink Mobility platform, a way to quickly deliver mobile services built for optimum usability with the intelligence and context to fully leverage the horsepower and investment in bulky back-end systems. What makes this possible is Blink Mobile's interaction-oriented architecture. It's turned traditional mobile development on its head, because everything starts with the needs of the end user, then works back. It's a simple difference, but it makes all the difference, particularly to user adoption and productivity. The second radical difference is the sheer number of devices or channels able to be serviced from a single development effort. Smartphones have revolutionized our lives, but in this internet everywhere era, we recognize that a true enterprise platform should be able to manage every other option available too. So, all content managed and delivered by Blink Mobile's MEAP is accessible across every type of smart device, including information kiosks, internet TVs, and other smart appliances, while still including SMS-only phones. And we're fully prepared for devices that haven't even left the drawing board yet. Forget smartphone-only systems. In an enterprise, this is the only strategic path worth considering. So there you have it. If long-term productivity and profitability is important to you, make sure you consider a mobile enterprise application platform alongside any iPhone or Android app that's being proposed. Simple as that. And if you decide on the Blink Mobility platform, you'll be starting with the right focus, your users. Invest some time finding out even more about Blink Mobile's interaction-oriented approach, and you'll agree that no other mobile enterprise application platform has our vision or can match our features. We lead the field in this area. But I think I've said enough. Now you need to talk to Blink Mobile about your mobile communication challenges, because the solution is very close, easy to implement, and more cost-effective than you think.